Joshua and Peter running around like madmen, trying to get the show started. We have an MD-11. We started the show with the Qantas A380. I hope everyone is excited about this crazy day here at LAX, here on LA Flights Live. You can shine the lights. We have...
Do we know where?
41. Oh, shine the lights.
Oh man, where? I can't see it.
Right there, shine the light happening right now. We have a 747 coming in. There's so many things to see.
I see it. There was the shine the lights. Wow.
About so many things happening in front of the camera.
I saw the shine the light, Peter. I saw it at the last second.
Listen, I'm having so much fun right now. Okay, listen, Josh, what do you think?
Let's see.
This is the moment. Will we have another shine the light? Yanesh, let's see if we're going to see it.
Yes! Oh, there it is! Shine the lights! Here on LA Flights.
There you go. Shine the light happening on board Delta 515, the A350-900.
There goes the A330.
Rolls-Royce engines powering this one.
Oh, the sound. There.
Oh, look at that. 2-for-1 special happening.
Yes! 2-for-1.
Look at that. 2-for-1
Oh, the water
special.
spray!
Look at that.
The water spray on that liftoff.
All about the tropical storms.
Oh,
but here in
yes.
Southern California, this is a once-in-a-lifetime event.
Oh, cleared for takeoff, the 7-4.
Clear for takeoff.
Get ready for the water spray.
Could this be a turn and burn? What do you think? A turn and simmer, huh?
Come on, 7-4.
Don't disappoint.
Making us wait for it.
Oh, there it goes. A lot of water spray.
Yes.
Hear the whistle. Hear the engines. Oh, hear this. Size difference.
All right, get ready for the water spray on liftoff.
So much water. Get ready.
Oh, yes!
Look at that. That's what we were so excited about. That's what we were waiting for.
And look at this 767 that will be taxiing right in front of us.
Incredible sound coming up. We have the CF6 engines in front of us on Taxiway Lima. Listen to this. Oh, hear that.
The sound, it's holding short, it looks like.
American Girl sending us a super chat. Family and I are watching your channel for the first time. The amazing plain view and the excitement in your voice makes it even better. Cheers. American Girl, hello to you and your family. Thank you for watching LA Flights Live.
Hey, Peter.
Yes.
That's crabbing. That's crabbing right there.
Crosswinds are in effect. Full effect.
Come on, 757. Put her down. Nice and easy. Very solid touchdown.
Winds are now shifting to the north. It's only going to get louder. Get ready. CF6 coming up right up.
Look at the water spray right now. Behind those engines. I've never seen so much water at the airport.
This is nothing. More and more water coming throughout the day, and the winds are only increasing. 6 engines powering this one, flying in from JFK. You're about to see it. There it is.
Oh, there it is. Look at the crab. It's crabbing right now.
There it is, flying into the wind.
That's crosswind.
Crosswind, winds shifting to the north.
Oh, come on, 7-6. Come on, you got it. finger down.
Oh, that's a solid touchdown.
Very nice.
The crosswinds are only going to get more difficult here at the south side. Welcome to LA Flights Live with Peter and Joshua.
Thank you. We always take safety into consideration. That's
With
like Peter says.
with a little bit of craziness sprinkled on top, I
Yes,
have
a
to
little
admit.
dash of craziness.
A little dash of craziness.
I think the LA Flights brothers have gone pretty crazy today.
Hey, look at this. We have a Queen of the Skies. That's going to be picking up a whole bunch of water in just a few moments. That's going to be 10 out of 10. Look
Landing
at
in
this.
Crosswind.
Winds north-northeast. Crosswind landing by the A380.
There he is. You can tell it's crabbing.
And the other one, we're going to have another one, the battle to Los Angeles from South Korea. We have Korean winning the race to Los Angeles. Asiana arriving in about 40 minutes, losing the race. Both of them A380s.
Look at the rudder.
I see it. Look at the rudder.
Nice and easy for the A380.
Take a look at that rudder. My goodness. A lot of rudder input. A lot of flutter.
Oh, yes. The spray.
And the water spray, not disappointing. Come on, everybody.
Look who that is.
What do we have? We have a 747 out of nowhere on taxiway Alpha. Now we're going to be crossing our fingers. Hopefully this one leaves via the south. The previous 747s have, let's see, disappointed the LA Flights channel going north. Will this one finally head south for takeoff?
Come on, 747 LA Flights want to see you.
Get ready. Queen of the Skies in just a few seconds. Oh, there it is.
There she is, coming in.
Flying in from Tokyo's Narita Airport, a 10-hour flight for this one. Oh, hear this.
Oh, nice. So smooth.
Oh, hear this.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at this. 767's pulling up. Look at that. Wow.
Right in front
That
of us.
was insane.
I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little spray coming to our location from all that water
Oh,
spray.
man. That was a turn and burn crossing the runway right there.
They told that one to hit the gas.
Talk about an expedited crossing. Man, that was awesome. And take a look at this. We have a whole bunch of planes waiting to leave. 7 left. Look at this, and we also had Hawaiian go south.
We're going to have Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines power up right next to us. Planes here at the LA Flights channel.
There it goes, A330.
Powering up.
Yes.
Hear this.
Oh, yes. That's what you call a departure.
That's the best sounding departure I've heard all day long.
And there it goes, the water spray as it lifts off.
We have another one. Get ready. If you enjoyed A330s, we have a Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines. Older model engines, but they're going to be even louder than that.
Even louder.
Hawaiian Airlines #2 for takeoff.
Wow. Look at this traffic jam too. We have Alaska, Spirit, of course the Hawaiian. Delta, Polaris, American Airlines. There's a Southwest over there behind the American.
8,000 likes before that A380 comes in. We're gonna need everyone's up if you haven't done so.
How far are we in?
We are 500 away.
500, okay.
Okay, Rolls Royce.
Oh, there it goes. Get ready for extreme water spray.
Feel the sound.
Oh, yes.
Best one yet.
The sound, you can feel it in your bones. It's so piercing.
The vibrations, Joshua. I'm feeling the vibrations.
Okay, let's go and wait for it. We have the 747 holding short the 7 right as it waits for the A380. I think we're going to get an extreme 241 right now with the quad jets.
747 holding shorts.
I'll go to the Asiana once I see him.
We haven't seen anything like it just yet.
Look who it is. Look who it is.
Battling the Crosswind, we have Asiana, the first look.
Come on, Asiana. Nice and easy. I know there's Crosswind.
Wind is picking up just in time for the arrival.
Oh, look at the behemoth. I have to do it. Let's get the 241 with the 7.4 and the Asiana right there. Oh, beautiful.
That's an image that will live on LA flights. An unforgettable moment. Absolutely spectacular.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Now that's A380 trying the runway.
Wow, and look who's up next, Peter. Look who's up next. We have the 747 spooling up, about to line up on 7 right.
Joshua, a pool of water, okay? We're gonna see the biggest water spray we have ever seen, okay?
Oh, man.
I promise you, this is gonna be incredible.
Oh,
the biggest water spray we've ever seen. 747 lining up.
Look at the beauty lining up right now. All in front of the LA Flights cameras.
LA Flights with Peter and Joshua bringing you the incredible excitement from LAX. The biggest water spray we've ever seen. 9,000 before the 747 takes off. This is going to be the biggest water spray we've ever seen on the channel. 9,000 likes.
Over 9,000 people watching right now?
Yes, 9,500.
9,500!
And cleared for takeoff. Get ready.
Come on, 747!
Water spray we've ever seen.
Keeping everyone in anticipation. I think there it goes.
Get ready, I can't wait. Oh my goodness, get ready.
Look at this.
Oh.
Wow.
That water cloud is so tall. That is drying up the runway. Water spray I've ever seen. That's it.
Get ready. We're going to see more. Look at that. Wow. Completely shattering the visibility right now.
Should be lifting off any second. I think you can't see anything else, right?
No, we can't. Look at this.
There's nothing left.
Everything in front of you. That's not fog. That's not cloud. That is water.
Just water. There's the A380. Oh my goodness, there is the A380.
Oh man.
Of the skies, back taxing on 7 right. We have a big one, Josh. We have a big one.
Action doesn't end.
Josh will panning the camera fast at the speed of light. We have a 777 China Cargo Airlines. There's one flying in from Taipei. absolutely incredible.
Wow.
Fill the chat with 747 vibes, everybody. Can't believe this.
Oh man, look at that water spray. The 777 not doing too bad of a job with the water spray, but
No,
I
the
think
thing is, the 747 dried the runway, yes, but the water, the rate of rainfall is so extreme that it replenished the water on the runway.
Wow.
9,000 likes. It's only 300 away. Go for it, my friends. 9,000. A channel's record is 9,200. I'm lost for words. I'm the Blue sending us a $50 super chat. Of course, it would be LA flights that would bring us one more extraordinary show.
Man.
Thank you, Peter.
We
Thank
try
you,
our
Josh.
best.
Thank you for bringing this historic event. Please stay safe, both of you. Thank you so much. I'm the Blue. That's an incredible super chat.
Listen, we just want to give you the best plane spotting content out there. That's the only mission we have, all while having tons of fun.
Listen, the rain, this is it. Yeah, that's it. Josh, what do you think? How about... Oh no, we're staying.
We're staying, Peter. We are staying. LA Flights is staying.
Are you 100%
It's
sure?
just a little water. I'm
right.
good. Listen, I'm good. I'm not. I'm joking a little, but I am good. I can keep going.
Yeah, Josh, you want to keep going?
At least for a little bit.
All right.
A little bit more. Look at this. I think this is what they were talking about in the news.
Yeah, listen, there's no visibility. What do you think? Let's just call it a day?
Oh, man. I don't want to tell what to say. Do we have anything coming up? We got to end with one more plane, Peter. Where's your one more plane spirit? Come on, everyone. Let's spam the one more plane. No.
We have an arrival. Go for it.
I just want to stay for one more. I'm so excited.
9,200 likes, the channel's record, everyone. The channel's record.
I want 10,000 likes before we go.
10,000. Okay, we'll call it a day at 10,000 likes.
I want 10,000. I'm happy. Oh, man. Look at the raindrops, Peter.
We have a 757-200 flying in from Denver, Colorado. 2-hour flight arriving in just a few minutes. We have Woodward. All right, let's go for the Atari Ferrari 757. This one on 7 right. I think it's worth it. Come on.
757 coming into land.
Just a little bit of water. Come on.
There it goes. Get ready for water spray. The visibility is improving. We're going to get really nice shots of the water spray right now.
Josh, let's go to the 757. A whole bunch of water spray happening right now.
There you go. 757 getting out of here.
Hear this.
Get ready for the water spray. Oh, that's the putt I was talking about. I'm sure the viewers saw it. The 757 going through a big puddle.
We have Brendan Smith sending us a $5 warning. We are in an active tropical storm warning, but the visibility is lighting up, so that's what matters to us. Hear this. Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 inch powering up in front of LA Flights Live.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Wow, I've never seen these numbers before.
I believe the Dreamliner is going to have to go through that big puddle. Let's pay attention to the spray around the middle of the runway.
The big bump, the big puddle.
There it goes. You saw that on the water spray.
I saw that extra water spray. I'll say it again. Imagine hitting that water, the pool of water at 150 knots.
It's just a river down there. Down the runway, it's just completely flooded. It's all water. That's all the spray you're seeing. Oh, look at this, Peter! Here it is.
Oh, look at this. This is it. Landing on the south runway.
Wow! I can't believe that. I was sure that was heading north.
Now we're coming out of nowhere. We have the VC-32. We have a VIP.
Wow! All right, there goes the Dreamliner on 25 right. Oh, look at this. 767 coming going into land. Look at all that water spray. Wow. Still going.
767.
Very cool.
I think they were just having fun there. What do you think? Delta's 895 flying in from Atlanta, Georgia. That could be the highlight of today's episode. That right there could be the thumbnail of today's incredible, historic day on LA Flights Live with Peter and Joshua. Listen, we do this several days a week. LA Flights Live, we go and do plane spotting here at LAX, several other locations across the country. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. You won't miss 1 second of the LA Flights action. Look at that water zoom. Look at this. Look at that water spray.
The A380 holding shorts.
Wow, hear this. Josh, get ready.
There it goes, spooling up.
Do you want to zoom into like one of the engines? What do you think? Oh, look at that. Number one, engine number one, the outboard.
Yeah, there it is.
Look at that.
Very nice.
Yeah. That's so exciting to see. You can really see the power coming from the engines.
Look how much water is on the taxiway, Peter.
That's
a river.
Listen, that's half an inch, isn't it? That's half an inch of rain.
Look how much water that is.
That's an incredible sight. My goodness, Josh. Look at that landing gear cam. That's just, listen, that's going to be taking off on 2.5 left in just a few minutes. We're going to have so much water be picked up that we might even be sprayed.
Oh man, I want to get sprayed by the A380. That's going to be awesome.
We have crosswinds, we have north winds pushing everything to southbound, right? Pushing everything to us. We might even get sprayed. There's a massive amount of water on the runway that will be picked up by that A380. We can't wait to see it.
Oh, that's going to be so cool. Right. Let's see, Peter. Korean lines up. I think it's getting a move on already.
Look at all the water spray.
Here we go.
A lot of water spray happening in front of the cameras.
Look at that. All the water spray.
Listen, the water cloud is taller than the A380. Imagine that. Taller than the A380.
The A380,
so much water.
From the tail, I think it reaches up to 9 or 10 stories, so that's really high. Look at this.
All right, I'm pumping up the sound. Here it goes.
Here we go, Korean.
Let's see, lifting off. Quick rotate.
There's the rotation. Oh, yes! Oh, yeah!
That's incredible.
Ever departure we have ever filmed, I believe.
A direct crosswind for that takeoff, flying all the way across the Pacific, flying to South Korea. It's a race. Look at that. Look how sideways it's going.
Yes, it's sideways right now.
Look
how sideways that is.
Look at that. That thing's drifting in the sky, really. Look at that. It just got a gust of wind because you could just see it turn into the wind.
Wow, that was so sideways. Come on, 747. We want to see you in front of us.
It's coming in hot. Get ready. Hey, listen.
She's coming in hot. I think we got her.
A lot of water. Get ready.
Come on, 747.
Ah!
Yes! We got it. We got her.
Taxiway Lima. Looks like idle reverse.
Idle reverse. No.
Idle reverse for the 747.
Hey, still going long. I'm okay. Very good job, Cathay Pacific.
I have to be honest, I was expecting to see a little bit more of the water.
Oh,
Idle
hey, come
reverse.
on. Beggars can't be choosers. I'm happy. Cathay went long.
This This is a grand finale here on LA Flights Live.
Look at all the water. All the water on the taxiway.
Yeah, I see it. Wow, listen to that. Oh, that's a great sight.
My raft and a couple paddles. I wouldn't need it. I mean, the roads are like rivers now.
17,000 likes, everyone, for all of this excitement.
Oh, and it's ready.
Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Come on.
Oh, yes. Let's zoom into those engines.
Oh, look at that. Come towards us, A380. Come towards us.
Look at all the water. It's like a river in the taxiways.
Hear the sound. Are you ready? A380's gonna make the left onto Alpha. Wipers, look at the wipers. Wiper action.
Oh, wipers.
We've never seen the wipers before.
Oh, wow. Wipers going crazy.
Look at wiper action on the LA Flight Show. We have never seen wipers. We've never seen it. Hear the sound. Behind the camera, best channel by far.
Look who made it into the show.
Condor. Listen, okay, for those of you new to LA Flights, we have a running debate, all right? We have a running debate. Do you love the stripes? And listen, we're talking about the stripes on the A330neo, okay? The stripes that cover the entire plane. This one only has the vertical stabilizer. Stripes or no stripes? Joshua is adamant. Anti-stripes. I love the stripes on the Condor. What do you think?
No, stripes aren't good. Stripes aren't good and never will be good on a plane. I guess I have to show the Condor. And like Peter said, we're talking about the 330neo. This is the 330-200, the older version. The 330neo has the fuselage completely covered in stripes. It's starting to get really flooded. But the access roads, look at that!
Wow, look at that. That's
so
gonna be
flooded right now.
Josh, you're gonna have to be careful when you drive home.
Oh man, that's what we're talking about. That's completely flooded.
That is completely
right
flooded.
over here. Okay, here it is, Peter. I think you can put the banner up.
All right. One more plane.
Here it is.
Whenever you see that banner on the upper right-hand side of your screen, you have to write or send the special emoji. One more plane. Spam that chat.
Here it goes.
Is how we end a day of plane spotting on LA Flights Live with Peter and Joshua.
Come on, Asiana. Lifting off in front of us. Look at all the spray behind it.
Oh, look at
Look
this.
at the lift off.
Hear the sound.
Oh,
That's the best sounding
The
takeoff I've heard all day long.
I can't believe the sound.
That is the best.
Oh, man. That's the best sound I've ever heard. Ever.
The one more plane for today's episode. There it goes.
Wow.
Look at that,
Oh,
sideways.
look at that. Fighting the crosswind.
Look at that.
Oh.
That thing is flying into the wind.
Yes, it is.
Whoa, look at that. Just got a big gust of wind.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Oh, man. And I don't know if you can listen to the audio quality, the mics. We're gonna need new mics too.
Look at this. This is a tent that we have almost. Joshua, the amazing cameraman, give us a good wave, Joshua.
Hello, everyone.
logo on your back.
LA Flights Live. Extremely stoked right now. I mean,
love the one. This is how LA Flights does plane spotting, everyone.
a little extreme, but all in good fun.
Listen, an incredible day of plane spotting. This is the host of LA Flights. Listen, we are the home of the one more plane. Don't forget that, everyone. Listen,
there it is.
LA Flights Live. There you go. This is how we do plane spotting here at LAX. Oh my goodness, as my headset starts to fall down. A day that will live on here at LAX. LA Flights, this is how we do things here at the channel.
Look how crazy it is.
Next time, okay?
Oh man, did you see the setup? It's just, that's us.
Yeah, look at this.
It's a tarp, the camera in the bag, and Peter completely soaked. Why did you wear a raincoat? What's the point of wearing a raincoat?
A day full of highlights, okay? We're gonna do this again, maybe without the weather, later in the week. 3 days live, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, and every other Thursday we go to SFO. And so many projects every single month. This is how LA Flights does plane spotting here at LAX and so many other locations around the country, around the world. Until next time, as my headset starts to fall down, from the bottom of my heart, I thank every single one of you for tuning in to the show from the Crazy Brothers who love the one more plane. That's it. Let's go get drunk. Let's go.
Oh man. There we are.
Oh my goodness. What are we doing?
Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Team
man.
USA.
Yes. To conclude the best ever show that LA Flights has ever done.
I think the best show LAX has ever seen.
Yes, I agree, Peter. The best show